Hello, welcome back. In this practical walkthrough, we are going to implement the third solution, reverse connection remote desktop capture. And this will be the architecture that we are going to implement. The first step we need to do is to create the necessary solution folder. And this is the plan. The solution will be called reverse remoting desktop. Within the solution, there will be 3 projects. The first project is remoting interface, then command server, and finally client red. So we need to create this solution inside this folder called red projects 2. So there should be a main solution folder here called reverse remoting desktop, and within it there will be 3 projects by these names. So let's fire up your Visual Studio and then click on create new project. So let's select the class library for C# Windows. This will be the remoting project. Look for class library .NET Framework, not this one. Make sure you select this one and then click on next. This will be the remoting interface DLL file. Click on next, and here make sure your solution name and project name are correct. The solution name according to our plan is reverse remoting desktop. So I'll just copy and paste it in here. And then the project name is remoting interface. So I just copy this and put it in here. And make sure the folder is correct, red projects 2. And then click on create. Now you will see that the solution reverse remoting desktop has been created, and within it we have one project called remoting interface. We are going to add another project to it now, and that will be the command server. So let's do that now. Select the solution, right click, and then scroll down and select add, and within that select new project, and this one will be C# Windows desktop. Look for the Windows Form App .NET Framework, not this one, this one. Select it and click next. Here make sure your location is the solution name reverse remoting desktop, and here we'll give the name command server, this name command server. And then click on create. Now that is completed, let's do the next project. The next project is client red. So I'll just highlight and copy the name first. Then I'll click on the solution, right click, scroll down to add new project. This is also C# Windows desktop. Look for Windows Form App .NET Framework, select it, then click on next. Make sure the location is the solution folder called reverse remoting desktop, and then for the name we call it client red. Click on create. Now you should have 3 projects: client red, command server, and remoting interface inside the solution reverse remoting desktop. And you can confirm that by going to the folder, Red Projects 2, and there should be a new solution folder called Reverse Remoting Desktop, which is referring to this. If you open it, there should be 3 projects which corresponds to these 3 projects listed here. And then there should be a solution file called Reverse Remoting Desktop.sln. Then remember to save everything, save all. So that's all for this practical walkthrough. Thank you for watching.